us a little bit about how we can manage the pain of arthritis tonight?
So arthritis can be brought on for several different reasons, and that goes key into our management of arthritis. So some of it is related to activities that we do, and a lot of it's related to improper mobility or function, and so different areas of our body that may be restricted or weak. And so within physical therapy, we have the tools and techniques to help people reduce their pain at the moment, but then also to address those underlying concerns regarding the onset of how that arthritis came about. Okay. Some of those techniques and tools we have are stretching related as well as modality related, so things related to heat and as well as ultrasound and different modalities that way. Okay. At our specific location over in the Sports Academy, we also have access to aquatic therapy, so we can do exercise within the swimming pool, which allows people to move through more motion in a less weighted condition, so they can receive the benefits of motion without the stress related to that.
Okay, and you are a physical therapist. Do you specialize in arthritis treatments?
So within physical therapy, we all have specialty within that, in the fact that we consider ourselves movement experts. And so unlike some other professions where they maybe look specifically at just the condition, we look at some of the underlying causes involved within that. So at some points the arthritis can become so severe that people do seek surgical interventions, such as joint replacements. And at that time, physical therapy also becomes very integral in helping people regain the function that they intend and want to have following those procedures, of being able to walk more normally, hiking, and getting back to some of those activities without the pain and restrictions. And so that's really kind of our objective within physical therapy, is to mitigate and reduce pain, but at the same time work on some of those muscle functions to reduce and hopefully prevent this problem from coming on more progressively or at all.
You say you're over at the Sports Academy. You have facilities over there for all different age ranges, do you?
Yeah, so we see clients of all ages within the Sports Academy. We also have access to a lot of those heavier equipment, and so for some of the more heavy lifting or sports related cases, we have some good equipment and access to help people get back to that high level of participation in sport or recreation or work that they need to get back to.
It's nice to know that, I suppose 50 years ago there just weren't these options, even maybe shorter time than that. Nowadays we have all different kinds of options for the treatment of arthritis and for, as you say, after surgery, that kind of mobility regaining.
Yes, people are able to get back to a lot of the functions and mobility that would have otherwise had them bed or chair fast because of some of the progress in interventions, both non-surgical conservative treatments as well as surgical interventions.
So what about people, maybe older people, but maybe children too? How would they get in touch with you if they maybe even want to come and look at your facilities and see what maybe you could do to help them?
Yeah, so we're located, like I said, again in the Sports Academy, which is 1655 North, 200 East. And our telephone number there is 435-753-1844. And then we also have a location here near the Cache Valley Specialty Hospital, MountainStar Hospital, at 2310 North, 400 East. Phone number there is 435-787-9030. And that's just located in the back of the Alpine Orthopedic Specialty Center.
Okay. Can people call you directly, or do they need a referral from the general practitioner?
Within our practice, we recommend that people have a recommendation from their physician. However, we can help facilitate that if needed. Yes. So
if you're suffering from arthritis, or you know somebody who is, and these days it's kind of almost an epidemic, I feel, that everybody knows somebody who's got arthritis problems, maybe give Chandler a call.